Fire.
Fire.
Be careful with fire when camping.
Be careful with fire when camping.
First.
First.
She was the first person to arrive.
She was the first person to arrive.
Fish.
Fish.
We caught a big fish in the lake.
We caught a big fish in a lake.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
The fisherman went out to sea early in the morning.
The fisherman went out to sea early in the morning.
Fit.
Fit.
These shoes fit perfectly.
These shoes fit perfectly.
5.
5.
There are 5 apples on the table.
There are 5 apples on the table.
Fix.
Fix.
Can you fix the broken chair?
Can you fix the broken chair?
Flag.
Flag.
The national flag was raised during the ceremony.
The national flag was raised during the ceremony.
Flash.
Flash.
The lightning flash lit up the sky.
The lightning flash lit up the sky.
Flashlight.
Flashlight.
She used a flashlight to find her way in the dark.
She used a flashlight to find her way in the dark.
Flight.
Flight.
Our flight was delayed due to bad weather.
Our flight was delayed due to bad weather.
Flood.
Flood.
The heavy rain caused a flood in the city.
The heavy rain caused a flood in the city.
Floor.
Floor.
The floor was covered with a soft carpet.
The floor was covered with a soft carpet.
Flour.
Flour.
She used flour to make bread.
She used flour to make bread.
Flower.
Flower.
The garden is full of beautiful flowers.
The garden is full of beautiful flowers.
Flu.
Flu.
He caught the flu last week.
He caught the flu last week.
Flute.
Flute.
She plays the flute in the school band.
She plays the flute in the school band.
Fly.
Fly.
Birds can fly high in the sky.
Birds can fly high in the sky.
Focus.
Focus.
The focus of the discussion was on climate change.
The focus of the discussion was on climate change.
Fog.
Fog.
The fog made it difficult to see the road.
The fog made it difficult to see the road.